Nagaland, a picturesque northeastern state, is abundant in natural beauty and exquisite flora and fauna. Phek, a remotely located district of Nagaland, is situated on the southeast of Nagaland on the Myanmar border. The district is classified as a rural district in the state as majority of the people are living in villages. Phek is the house of Chakkesang and Pochuri tribes. These tribes are well known for their colorful attire and rich traditions. Traditionally, they are very skilled craftsmen and good farmers. The climate of Phek is temperate or subtropical. Winter is characterized by chilly mountain breeze that stings the face, and the summers are warm. Agriculture in Phek is rain-fed, and it is the mainstay of the people of Phek. Shifting cultivation is prevalent here, and it occupies about 12,000 hectare area. The total cropped area of the district is about 27,500 hectare. The Chakkesang farmers are excellent in terrace cultivation. A traditional farming system called Zabo is practiced in the Kikruma area of the district, which is one of the best examples of integrated farming systems where all the components of the farming have been effectively integrated. To augment the farmers with the latest technological knowledge, a Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Phek district was established by the ICAR under the aegis of NRC on Mithun, Jharnapani, Nagaland in 2003 at Porba village of Futsero subdivision, with the aim of reducing the time lag between technology generation and its transfer to the farmer's field by increasing production and achieving sustainability. The activities of the KVK includes on-farm testing to assess and refine the location-specific technologies, frontline demonstrations to exhibit production potentials of the technologies on the farmers' fields, training of farmers to update their knowledge and skills in improved agricultural technology, and training of extension functionaries to orient them in the frontier areas of technological development. Maize and paddy are the major crops of the district, and maize is taken basically on jhums. However, paddy is grown primarily on terraces and sometimes on jhums. Topography and climate of the district favors cultivation of fruits and vegetables. Soil fertility management play a great role in supporting the growth of the crops, so biofertilizers like Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Azospirillum, blue-green algae, Azolla are being promoted for nutrient management. Proper design of terrace, water harvesting and designing diversion for irrigation and drainage for proper management of watershed area are also being addressed. Livestock contribute a major role in the economy of the people of Phek, but productivity of the animals is very poor because of the poor genetic makeup. Phek has good potential for fish production, so KVK is making interventions in paddy cum fish culture. Water becomes a limiting factor for cultivation of rabi crops, so rainwater harvesting systems are being promoted by the KVK. An integrated farming system approach is being followed where sufficient water resources are available. The KVK is housed at Porba station of the National Research Center on Mithun, and a Mithun farm is being maintained there, having 65 Mithuns. organic crop production has been encouraged in the district. Therefore, they are having 4 vermicomposting units where a senior Phytida species are being raised. This unit helps not only showing the technology but also in supplying a senior worms to the farmers. NADEP is another method of the composting which fasten the process of decomposition as it creates aerobic conditions that favors faster decomposition of organic matter. A small vegetables nursery has also been developed for quality seedling production and distribution to the farmers. Two low-cost polyhouses and a shade net have been constructed for nursery and off-season vegetable cultivation. KVK is promoting entrepreneurial people in various agro-based professions like mushroom production, rabbitry, piggery and poultry. Oyster mushroom, an edible fungus that grows in temperate to subtropical forests throughout the state on dead and decaying wooden materials. It can be grown on decomposed organic matter. The setup costs for mushroom production unit is quite low. As mushroom is a popular food item in the state, people after getting training are establishing small units of oyster mushroom cultivation.
KVK in Phek district, which is very active from 2005 onwards, could help the farmers in various activities, especially in the field of animal science, horticulture, as well as in soil and water conservation. In the field of rabbitry, we could very successfully implement that program. Now many of the farmers are keeping rabbit in their backyard and could get extra income from that.
Being a highly meat consuming area and considering shortage of meat in the locality, non-conventional meat sources like broiler rabbitry was introduced by the KVK-Phek to compensate some of the meat demand of the locality as well as to popularize rabbit meat. Keeping this point in view, 5 trainings, each of 4 days duration, for 30 self-help group members have been organized. At present, every household are rearing the rabbit and taking it as regular source of meat and income.
The local breed of animal, the local available cereal pulses seed, the production capacity of those are very poor. So we are changing the germplasm. We are introducing new germplasm. For the seed, we are using the quality high yielding varieties, and for the animals, we are giving the quality germplasm.
Non-availability of quality pig germplasm in the locality and irregular supply of piglets by the vendors are the major hindrances in the growth of the piggery sector. KVK-Phek has established 12 numbers of pig breeding units with Hampshire upgraded pigs in 6 villages to demonstrate performance of quality pigs as well as to supply quality piglets at reasonable price regularly to the local farmers.
KVK-Phek has provided so many facilities to the farmers in the area, like providing piglets to the farmers and providing rain-fed water facilities, and also providing rabbits for the farmers, chickens for the farmers, and also like training on the mushrooms, especially on oyster.
Considering the low production performance of local birds in terms of weight gain and egg laying, a dual-purpose quality bird, Vanraja, developed by Project Directorate on Poultry, Hyderabad, which adopts best in the backyard rearing system of any age region, was introduced by the KVK, which is performing excellently in the locality. KVK is also organizing Kisan Mela, exhibitions, vaccination camps for creating the awareness among the rural folk, and these programs are paying its dividends. High epidemics of Ranikhet disease cause 70 to 80% mortality in the poultry population of the locality. As a preventive measure, regular vaccination against the disease with Losota and R2B vaccine in 3 villages, Porba, Sakraba and Gidemi, was done during the last 3 years, which has reduced mortality rate in the vaccinated groups up to 15%. The work undertaken by KVK-Phek is a progressive step to the sustainable development of the farming community. It is infusing the latest advancement in agriculture and is allied with indigenous technical knowledge. It is hoped that availability of technological input will help in the upliftment of the socio-economic condition of the farmers, thus leading to the prosperity of the country.